India's aviation industry is reaching new heights, quite literally. With booming passenger traffic and global aspirations, the country is witnessing a transformation. Brand new world-class airports taking shape across the map. In this video, we are counting down the top 5 upcoming airports in India, all set to open by 2025 and beyond. These are not just airports, they are ambitious visions of the future. So buckle up as we explore India's aviation game changers. At number 5, we have Bhogapuram Greenfield International Airport in Andhra Pradesh, also called GMR Visakhapatnam International Airport. Located about 45 kilometers from Visakhapatnam, this airport is built by the GMR Group over 2,200 acres of land. Phase 1 is nearly 70% complete and is expected to be operational by late 2025. The airport will initially serve 6 million passengers annually, with future expansion targeting up to 18 million. It features a 3,800-meter runway, a modular terminal, and smart systems for baggage and energy efficiency. Flight connectivity will begin with major domestic hubs like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore, followed by international routes to Dubai and Singapore. With coastal decor and solar-powered design, Bhogapuram aims to be both aesthetic and sustainable. It's expected to generate over 5,000 jobs and boost tourism in Vizag and Akaru Valley. Next up, at number 4, is the Dholera International Airport in Gujarat, a key part of the futuristic Dholera Smart City project. Located around 100 kilometers from Ahmedabad, this airport is being developed by Airports Authority of India (AAI). Phase 1 is about 60% done and is projected to be ready by early 2026. Initially, it will cater to 3 lakh passengers per year. The initial domestic routes will include flights to Ahmedabad, Delhi and Mumbai, with future plans to connect to the Middle East. With smart kiosks retail showcasing Gujarat's textile and rising property prices in the area, Dholera is shaping up to be more than just an airport, it's heart of an upcoming economic zone. At number 3 is Dhalbhamgarh Airport in Jharkhand, one of India's most important regional airport projects under the UDAN scheme. Built on a defunct World War II airstrip about 60 kilometers from Jamshedpur, this airport is being revived to connect one of India's industrial cities to the skies. Phase 1 is halfway there and expected to be completed by December 2025, with commercial flights beginning in early 2026. It features a 2,500-meter runway and a compact terminal designed with indigenous art and local cultural motifs. Initially, expect flights to Kolkata, Ranchi and Delhi via regional airlines like Alliance Air. While it won't take international connectivity just yet, future phases may include links to Southeast Asia. It's budget-friendly, eco-sensitive and aims to bring 2,000 jobs and a tourism boost to Eastern India. Taking the second spot is none other than the much-anticipated Navi Mumbai International Airport or NMIA in Maharashtra. This mega project by the Adani Group is over 90% complete and is expected to launch domestic operations by July 2025, with international flights rolling by the year end. Built across 1,160 acres in Ulve, the airport will ease pressure of Mumbai's current airport, offering dual parallel runways. Built across 1,160 hectares in Ulve, the airport will ease pressure of Mumbai's current airport, offering dual runways and a beautifully designed Terminal 1 inspired by the lotus flower. It will serve 20 million passengers in its first phase. Indigo has already test-flown aircraft here, planning over 70 daily flights by year-end. Global destinations like London, Dubai and Singapore will soon follow. From AI-powered check-ins to a VVIP terminal and metaverse-inspired amenities, NMIA will redefine luxury travel. It's also expected to create thousands of jobs and push Navi Mumbai's real estate to new heights. And finally, at number 1 is the Noida International Airport, also known as Jewar Airport in Uttar Pradesh. This project is nothing short of historic. It's set to be Asia's largest airport once completed. Developed by Zurich Airport International, the first phase, located about 72 kilometers from Delhi along Yamuna Expressway, this airport is built over 5,000 hectares and will ultimately feature up to 8 runways by 2040. Phase 1 includes 1 runway and a terminal for 12 million passengers, with domestic flights to major metros and international routes to Dubai, Bangkok, and Europe in the pipeline. With smart infrastructure, solar power, cultural zones, and massive job creation, Jewar will anchor India's logistics and aviation future. Real estate along the Yamuna Expressway has already spiked 20%. And there you have it, India's top 5 upcoming world-class airports, each one redefining regional growth, global connectivity, and sustainable divide. Each one redefining regional growth, global connectivity, and sustainable design. Whether it's Bhogapuram's coastal elegance or Jewar's mega scale ambition, the future of flying in India is bigger, bolder, and brighter. Which airport are you most excited to travel through? Tell us in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infra and Tech Updates for more updates on India's travel resolution. Until next time, keep your eyes on the skies.